Okay, traders, we have Meta. We're up exactly 47 points. This is a 10-minute breakout off of that earnings report. And we had a lot of traders that had the call options, and it's a different story. So they beat the number, top line, bottom line. They gave upside guidance, and their other metrics came in just the opposite of what Google did and whatnot. And ad revenues were okay. That was the sticky point for everybody that they wouldn't be. But nonetheless, you can see $48 on the Super Gap. Tommy Trader is here with you. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Don't hesitate, don't stop, and don't wait. We will take you through the markets with the live entries and the exits and the profits, and you'll be trading live with us every day.